In balanced production, snack foods are conveyed on vibratory conveyors from process to feed these three on-machine seasoning loops in this example. When process output is higher than packing capacity, then the product needs temporary storage. One option is a recirculation system whereby the snack foods are sent round on these vibratory conveyors to rejoin the start of the packing process. This allows for a temporary doubling of storage capacity. It comes with a couple of disadvantages. Firstly, there is a loss of control. How do you know how long the product has been recirculating? Secondly, repeated handling brings a risk of damage or product degradation. Alternatively, use a Storeveyor, which follows a first in, first out principle, ensuring proper product rotation and eliminating prolonged storage. This vibratory conveyor at the discharge point ensures a controlled and consistent flow of product. An excellent option is to use a strategically sized KMG vibratory conveyor inline storage system. You can see that all these vibratory conveyors have some extra space in them to allow for in-flight storage.